Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Alright, lifers. I'm gonna throw in a little bonus videos. Cornbread done bought a game winner, 20-pound meat mixer. We're gonna unbox it right here. They probably had it a year and ain't never looked at it. See how hard it is to put together, how it works. He's on to cut stuff up, so I hope y'all can see all this. Ain't got no cameraman. Y'all probably see these videos after the meat videos. It's got instructions. Who made them?
Yeah. You?
Oh my God. I might make the instructions to get out of the box. I know he don't want to tear the box, so he's trying to put it back in the box. Oh my God. What in the sound fucking field? Oh. I don't know what that is. But it's there. Oh, we may have to look at the instructions on this. Y'all know me, I'm not much of an instruction guy.
It ain't got pictures, you can't.
Well, I mean, Cornbread, you ain't got to tell them I can't read. I read some.
Yes, it got pictures.
I read a Hustler.
Oh, it's got pictures.
They still make those. Oh my God, come pull this box. Stainless steel meat mixer. I was joking about the instructions. We'll look at them. They said I had to put it together, so y'all get my video out of it.
Can't do everything.
I also got a sausage stuffer. I've been known to stuff sausage before.
We won't comment that.
Oh, look, got a handy dandy handle and everything. I don't know why in the hell you wouldn't buy an electric one.
Well, a little crack.
You got a drill, though.
Yep, I sure do.
Well, it ain't near as deep as I thought it'd be. I'm definitely gonna have to read and see. I think that's covered. These are all game winners. This is a 20-pound meat mixer. Turn the meat. Hell, got instructions on it that are probably important anyway. Well, I don't think it's gonna be hard to figure out.
Should be straightforward for a dummy.
Yeah. I might not be able to handle it if it's straightforward. All right, lifers. I'm not gonna sugarcoat this any at all. It took me and cornbread 30 minutes to get it together.
And all you gotta do is screw two things together.
Two-
But it's gotta be so perfect.
Two things together, it's gotta be absolutely perfect. And when they were manufacturing it, they cut the bolt a little wonkus, and it's gotta be even more perfect. So for, what'd you say you paid, 70 bucks?
$69.95.
70 bucks, look at some of the other brands. Just be warned, this game won't, and I mean, you can tell it's gonna work good
Yeah.
once you get it together. But like, I mean, yeah, it's gonna do good. It's gonna be way better than we used to do stuff. But I'm not a fan. I would probably look at something else. Or I would buy it and I'd rig my own coupling up and they'd have a pulley out here and a piece of electric motor over here.
I ain't done with it yet.
And that's probably what it'll wind up being.
But I don't want to take it apart. I'm gonna wash it just like it is.
We're gonna watch it just like it is, he said. Just like it is. I hope we got all this in front.
Alright. There's that.
Meat mixer we've been dreaming about for 15 years. We got it and it's a nightmare. It wasn't a dream no more.